sir. Good morning. Try a sample of our new exciting flavor from Anchor Butter. New Anchor Maple Butter that will add an exciting twist to your any dish. You can use it for cooking, baking, also as a spread for only 105 pesos yung ating 200 grams po. Kaya isama niyo na po sa inyong pamimili.
Magkano ba isa?
Ma'am, yung ating 200 grams size pack po, cost only for 105 pesos.
Ang mahal naman.
Naku ma'am, it is value for your money because you can use it for cooking, baking, also as spread po.
Ano pinagkaiba ba sa Anchor Maple Butter compare with other butter sa market?
Well ma'am, masasabi ko pong napakasarap pong gamitin ng ating Anchor Maple Butter like other brand. Kasi po, ito lang po ang brand na may maple taste na tsaka po magugustuhan ng buong family. And aside po nun ma'am, you can use it for cooking, baking, also as a spread.
Bago ba yan?
Yes ma'am, ito po yung bago namin ngayon sa Anchor Butter, yung ating Anchor Maple Butter. For only 105 pesos po ma'am, yung ating 200 grams, available na po ngayon sa ating market. Kaya isama nyo na po sa inyong pamili.
Pwede ba siya sa dessert?
Yes po, pwede ma'am.
How about pancake toppings?
Pwede rin po ma'am. Itatap nyo lang po sa bagong luto nyo yung pancakes. After that ma'am, pwede nyo na pong kainin. At ma'am, tsaka po ma'am, may-enjoy nyo na po ang sarap at lasa po ng ating Anchor Maple Butter.